Did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? And did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you delivered will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to all blind men? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will calm the storm with his hand? And did you know that your baby boy has walked with angels round? When you kissed the little baby, you kissed the face of God. Mary, did you know? Ooh, Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will live, the dumb will speak, the praises to the Lamb. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is the Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day rule the nations? And did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? That sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Ooh, Mary, Mary, did you know? Merry Christmas! You can also join my first ever um yes, my first ever live live house in Nikki. Wala, naka-promise ako, but I don't know when it is, but they were already scheduling me next year. I hope you're going to join me, guys. I'm going to share my link here, and you just need to top it. Yes. So I hope you're gonna, you're gonna go there and watch me do my performance. Not that is not my performance daw na sobrang intact talaga, because I have a small room here, so I might just sit down and sing like that. But at least you're there. Okay, I'm going to sing this one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! No sending gifts, guys. Just Gcash. Yes, just Gcash, guys, because I have a lot of violations here in Facebook. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is tonight of a dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and near us by, until He appeared, and the soul filled its birth. The thrill of hope, the weary words rejoices, the yonder praise, a new and glorious morn. On your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and near abiding, till He appeared, and the soul filled its birth. A thrill of hope, the weary words rejoiced in, beyond the praise, a new and glorious morn. On your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Let me go ahead and cue this one. I know this song. Bakapin. Bakapin. No, I'm going to sing this song. Huwag lang sana itong i-mute. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year! Salamat po sa pamasko. Di, biro lang ha, biro lang. Di ba't kay ganda sa atin ang Pasko? Ay ibang pagdiriwang dito. Pasko sa ating hanap-hanapin mo. Walang katulad dito ang Pasko. Lagi mo na na sila'y nandito sana at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko kayo'y naririto. Kahit na malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa iyo sa araw ng Pasko. Sa ibang bansa'y di mo makikita ngiti sa labi ng bawat isa. Alam naming hindi na nais malayo, Paskong Pinoy pa rin sa ating puso. Wow, wow. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko. Tayo'y may caroling at may simbang gabi at naglalakihan pa ang Christmas tree, ang Christmas tree. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo. Ang Pasko ay kay saya